What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Logan if you don't know me already, and today I'm not doing a normal detailing video. I'm actually at my buddy Seth's house. We're gonna do a full indoor outdoor house tour. I'm actually gonna walk over now and knock on the door. As you guys know, I've been in Austin, Texas for a couple of days now doing some detailing videos on his cars as well as just a lot of fun car detailing stuff in Austin. But this video is just gonna be a house tour. I know most of you guys only watch the detailing stuff. But like I've said in a couple of previous videos too, I've slowly started to make real estate videos, so my channel is kind of going to turn into car detailing / real estate / whatever else I want to do with it. But I hope you guys enjoy this house tour.
Come on in. So this is the house. I'll take you through the entrance and we'll maybe first start in the man cave. So welcome to the man cave. This obviously is a great place where I have my cars, my cleaning supplies, tools, and other stuff that doesn't fit in the house.
So as you guys have seen in a couple of my other videos that I just did, we just did a full detailing video on the Porsche, as well as the Ferrari and any expenses that goes along with owning a Ferrari, in case you guys ever wanted to know how much it costs to own a Ferrari California, the oil change and everything else that goes along with owning it. It's really stupid expensive. Just these logos alone are what, four grand?
No. 79 for a pair.
For a pair of these logos, one on each side, $1,700. So definitely go check out that video. I'll put it right above my head. But yeah, let's get on to the tour.
So guys, one of the main artwork pieces that we have are the movie props I'm collecting in Fast and Furious here, signed by the whole cast, including the late Paul Walker. And I'm really into these collectibles. I also have the Star Wars. This is one of the Darth Vader helmets used in one of the movies. This is signed by the whole cast, and including the late Carrie Fisher. So next on the tour is the home office. So this is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath house with one of the bedrooms turned into a home office. What's nice about this room is allows me to work on the weekends if I need to, or at night when I'm not in the office. Have the French doors to close it up for a little privacy. And what's really super nice is we have an extra monitor here for watching movies or projecting. I have a pull-out sofa for my little brother when he comes to stay if the guest bedroom is full. And one of the nice things is the TV does come out of the wall. All right, so next we're just gonna go through the hallway. There is a bathroom here for the 2 bedrooms. We have the guest room, and we have also another room that is empty at the time. I have some more movie memorabilia. This is from Natural Born Killers when I worked for Oliver Stone. And this is his little scribbling to me. I've also worked on the set of Nixon with Anthony Hopkins. So another little movie memorabilia thing. So before we go into the living room, I'm gonna show you where my dog bath is and my laundry room. So I've always wanted one of these little sinks. This is great for my little puppy Rudy. I can give her a bath here. I have all her supplies and all her stuff, and it's really great. It's a lot better than taking her into the shower. Obviously you have the washer and dryer and a spare fridge. Who doesn't have a spare fridge in their laundry room? Now moving forward into the living room, we go through this hallway. I did customize all of this from the builder. It was just a regular wall, so it's got the nice wainscoting look. It just gives it a little more dimension. And the best part of any house is the living room, the sofa, the dining room, the kitchen, entertainment area, and another little home office. So this is great if you need to check some emails or do a web search. And got the kitchen here, and this is mostly where we eat. Believe it or not, the pool table does turn into a full dining room table. There's an insert that goes on top. So if you have a Thanksgiving dinner or Christmas, it's a great place to be able to pull up some chairs and actually have a meal. But it also doubles as the arcade, as you can see. So basically, I selected some of my favorite arcade cabinets. This is a popular company, 1UP Arcade. They're actually pretty reasonably priced. Each one of these cabinets has 4 or 5 games. You can kind of see, you got the classic games. What's really nice is they're customized. So basically, what's nice about these, like I mentioned, is they're all customized for the particular games, but there's a couple games per cabinet. This is the best one, I think. This is Star Wars because it's an exact replica of the arcade. So it has a very non-traditional joystick controller. So next stop is going to be the kitchen. What I really like about this kitchen is the fridge. I got a nice oversized fridge that has bunch of drink cabinets. Let's see what we have here today. Probably a bunch of water, some beer. And inside the fridge, got my nice salads and healthy foods. So one of the best things about this kitchen is not necessarily the really nice stove that I have here from KitchenAid, but it's the microwave. So I specifically picked this package for this nice big oversized microwave to cook my frozen meals. It's a nice size. It's probably the biggest microwave that I've seen. So we didn't go into all of the guest bedrooms or my roommate's room, obviously that's his space, but I will take you into the master bedroom where I have a bunch of other stuff that I want to show you. So what's nice about this room obviously is the TV. I get to watch TV in bed. I think in one of the clips you'll see the bed turn into a little sofa, which is often nice just to kick back, turn the massager on and watch a good Netflix show. I have a little seating area, and of course this is where Rudy has her little bedroom. She can be in here nice and safe, and she has her own little space to chill out. So next I'll take you in past the bathroom to show you one of the coolest rooms in the house, which you do need a key combo access to get inside, so it does lock from the outside. Some people would call this a safe room, but I call it my closet. So again, I'm really into some of my Star Wars stuff, my Supreme. I got my Ferrari shirt here and some other accessories. These are actually Robert Graham dress shirts. They were commissioned and licensed, so they're embroidered, and I thought they were so nice. Why wear them, but I could have them here framed. I have a lot of my travel stuff up here, depending on what type of bag I want to take. I got my hats, and I'm wearing one of them. So as you can see, the door is actually locked from the inside, and it's a locked electronic, so to get inside the room, you have to have the code. So we're gonna go outside and follow Rudy. He's an Italian Greyhound. Come on, Rudy, let's go. Let's go. So she does have her backyard within a backyard. I did this to kind of keep a better eye on her when she goes out late at night. And she has her mid-century modern doggy house. She has her bespoke little rest area, which is cooled there, so she doesn't have to lay in the grass. And I got an outdoor fan, and got the barbecue here. I haven't hooked up the barbecue yet, but it does connect to natural gas coming out of the house. So our next stop is a little bit more of the garage tour, and we'll talk a little bit about the cars. So welcome to my garage. This is where I keep my cars and tools and a bunch of other stuff. I do have the license plates, and you can follow me on Instagram, MyLifeATX. But you see here of the custom license plates, which are really cool. I got the ATX Fast for the license plate, and second car, obviously, for the Porsche. Again, my Insta is MyLife_ATX. Got the tool cabinet here, which is really nice. The particular thing that I like about this one is it has a built-in power on the sides and inside, so I can charge up my devices and I don't have to clutter up the desk. I do have my keys ready to go, and I got my nice little marquees here for the Porsche and two of them for the Ferrari, one up here and one over on the side. So one of the things that I really got excited with watching Logan's channel is his detailing business. So I did go with the Chemical Brothers products here.
Chemical Guys
products here, which, you know, I tried to pick all the same things that he had in his videos, and lo and behold, he's here today. So hopefully there'll be a video of him using the products that he recommends on the vehicles. So of course, not that I have to be reminded that I have a Ferrari, but I've got my marquee posters here, and I've got my Porsche poster over here, and I got another Ferrari poster over there hidden behind the SUV.
All right, so I hope you guys like this house tour video. I know it's like totally different than any video that I've ever made before, but like I said, I wanna get into some more real estate stuff and start making videos about things other than just car detailing. But if you guys like this video and you like my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button below and hit the like button on this video. And other than that, I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.